Susan, and we're just a couple people, Patty, Susan, Laura, Beth, Sonia, Charlene, Ramona, Teresa, and Sabi. Truly exceptional. That's what she calls this team, truly exceptional. Also know that your team does double duty, preparing and serving meals for both Southwest and Sunflower. You probably don't realize it, but you're also showing others, other people watch you. You're showing others how a high-functioning and high-effective team works together by supporting and serving our students. When we say all students, one team, well, yours is truly one of a kind in terms of teamwork, and definitely essential to us as a school system meeting our goals. It's also the basis for the Rick Dahl Teamwork Award. So this award is named for former Superintendent Rick Dahl. He recognizes teachers and staff who work effectively in teams to build collaborative relationships through communication, trust, cooperation, and respect. And I'm proud to present this year's Teamwork Award to your food service team.
We would like to recognize you guys for winning this year's Teamwork Award by presenting you a check for $1,000.